Development of Curiosity Strategy for the Pethos Popo Industry. Abstract. This research is an attempt to design a curiosity strategy for the Pethos Popo industry. This development is in line with the increasing number of tourists, so the souvenir industry is also experiencing growth. Pethos Popo is a tempe processing industry that has been operating since 2013 in Wonosobo Regency. Companies must remain competitive considering increasingly fierce competition by implementing appropriate and effective marketing strategies. The purpose of this research is to determine strategic planning options and strategic priorities for the development of Pethos Popo. This research uses the internal external matrix or EA, the strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threat matrix or SWOT, and the quantitative strategic planning matrix or QSPM. The EA and SWOT matrices are used to plan alternative strategies, while the QSPM matrix is used to determine priority strategies. Introduction. Camel Popo Tempe Chips is a tempeh chips business located in Wonosobo District, Wonosobo Regency, Central Java, RT 5, RW 6, Cilegon. The resulting product is processed tempeh mixed with special spices and processed with a mixture of wet flour before frying. There are 8 permanent workers involved in the production process, depending on the quantity required based on the order received. Several weaknesses and threats found in PT Hagia Indofurni Creative during observation were: number one, the production process was hampered by unstable weather. 2. Promotion that is less than optimal is only carried out through upload on social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp with a low frequency. 3. Does not yet have a marketing team, so all marketing aspects are planned by the owner himself. And number 4, lack of collaboration with other companies' agencies. And number 5, the location is in rural area, makes it less visible to both local and international tourists. Based on this problem, the Tempe chip business research purposes. The aim of this is to find out strategic planning alternatives and strategic priorities for the development of the Pethos Popo industry, which is a tempe processing business. This research also aims to ensure that companies can continue to be competitive in the face of increasingly fierce competition by implementing appropriate and effective marketing strategies. Chapter 2, Discussion. A. The theoretical approach SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, used to evaluate a company's internal strengths and weaknesses as well as external opportunities and threats. This helps determine the most appropriate strategy for the company. The internal external matrix or IE, mapping the company's position based on score from EIFE or internal factor evaluation and EFE external factor evaluation analysis. This matrix helps in determining the right development strategy. And C, quantitative strategic planning matrix or QSPM, used to prioritize alternative strategies based on attractiveness scores. QSPM allows companies to choose the strategy that best suits the company's condition and scope. Next, research methods. The method in this research combines several strategic analysis approaches to develop marketing strategies for the Pethos Popo industry. The following is the method used in this research. Number 1, SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat. It is used to evaluate internal strengths and weaknesses as well as external opportunities and threats faced by the company. Helps in formulating better strategies based on a comprehensive understanding of the company situation. And number 2 is internal external matrix or IE, using scores from the IFE or internal factor evaluation and EFE or external factor evaluation analysis to map the company's position. Determine the right strategy for business development. Number 3, QSPM matrix or quantitative strategic planning matrix is uses quantitative approach to select and prioritize alternative strategies based on weight and calculated attractiveness scores. And number four is validity and reliability test. Using SPSS software to test the validity and reliability of data obtained from respondents. Research results. Validity tests are carried out to ensure that the measuring instrument measures what is intended. The results show that all questions are valid with a calculated error value greater than error table 0.361 and 0. Reliability tests show the consistency of the measuring instrument. The Cronbach Alpas value of 0.812 indicates that the questionnaire are reliable. This metric analyzes the company's internal factors, including strengths and weaknesses. The total score of internal factor is 3.119, which show the company's ability to exploit strengths and overcome weaknesses. This metric analyzes the external factor, including opportunities and threats. The total score of external factor is 2.67, which show the company's ability to exploit opportunities and face threats. Company position mapping uses score from the IFE and EFE matrices. Kamulpopo Tempe chips are in quadrant 2, which shows the need for market penetration and product development strategies. SWOT analysis produces SO, WO, ST, and WT strategies, which help formulate concrete steps for company development. Chapter 3 Conclusion. Ethos Popo offers quality products at affordable prices, which can be used to increase customer satisfaction. Additionally, technological advance and market expansion provide opportunities to introduce products in a more efficient manner. Weaknesses in promotion and unstrategic location can hinder growth. Threats from the new competitors and changes in raw material prices also need to be considered. Using social media to introduce product and increasing interaction with customers is a strategic step that needs to be prioritized. Apart from that, product innovation and collaboration with other institutions are also a focus to expand market reach. It requires establishing a marketing team and improving promotional technique to strengthen its position in the market. The implementation of the evaluated strategies is expected to increase the competitiveness and sustainability of the Petos Pupuk businesses.